Beautiful large one bedroom in Briarwood. This is entrance. This is the living room. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of corner space. Comes with a dishwasher. This is the bedroom. A large bedroom can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. They got a double door closet here. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. Linen closet. Coat closet. Beautiful apartment near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. Very close to the train station, the E and the F train on Queens Boulevard and Union Turnpike. The apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.